Start with greens, man, slow and low. Parsley, leek, a bit of spinach in the show. Fenugreek too, yeah, that's the soul. Cilantro joins and makes a circle whole. If you can't find these leaves around, don't lose your groove. Use scallions, chives, or leeks, they'll make it move. Fry 'em down till they turn near black. Smell his deep, ain't no going back. Set 'em aside, let 'em rest a while. Good fruit takes time, that's the style. This ain't no fast food groove, my friend. It's a blues that cooks slow to the end. Smell the jazz and the steam that flies. Every note's got taste, every tone's got ties. Now onions hit the pan, sweet and brown. The dancing oil never let them drown. Then in goes lamb with bone and pride. Let it sear and sing from side to side. Add water slow, let the heat go kind. Patience, brother, let the meat unwind. Beans from last night, soaked in true. Red and ready like an old love's hue. They dive in slow with the greens once more. A reunion of flavor on that kitchen floor. Stew starts singing, thick and deep. Low and slow, a promise to keep. Time's the drummer now, tapping soft and slide. Every bubble's a beat, every hiss a sigh. This ain't no fast food groove, my friend. It's a blues that cooks slow to the end. Smell the jazz and the steam that flies. Every note's got taste, every tone's got ties. Now the time has come for that dry line. Little black suns from the Persian clime. Pierce them soft, drop them down. That's the magic, that's the crown. Salt comes last, don't you break the law. Taste and tweak with an easy jaw. Then pour some verjuice, just a spoon or two to your liking, man. That's the flavor of you, yeah. Stir it slow, don't kill the mood. Let the house fill up with that groove of food. Ghormeh Sabzi, green turn blues. Oh, let's do a time, no rush, no news. When it's thick, dark, tender and right. That's a lie. You could eat it with many things, it's true. But tradition said raw onions of you. You hear the beat in every bite. The spoon taps slow, the groove feels right. Steam rolls soft through the kitchen sink. That's Ghormeh Sabzi, patience on a plate.